Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here in the parking lot where supposedly is San Jose's best Bun Bo Hue restaurant. So today we are going to see if it really is the best, because Bun Bo Hue is my favorite Vietnamese soup dish. And yeah, I have high standards when it comes to this noodle dish, so hopefully it is up to standards of everyone's saying. I mean, on Yelp they have like about 1,800 reviews and it's a 4-star rating, so that's pretty darn good average wise. So yeah, let's get going. Oh, thank you. So the one we'll be ordering would be number 1 without the pizzle. So we're finally seated, and here, let me take off the mask really quickly. So we're finally seated, which was actually a very short wait. We thought we were gonna have to wait for a long time, but it was quick, like 5 minutes, even though there was a long line, so that is so great. So what we're gonna be ordering is number 1, the Bun Bo Hue I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's a spicy beef noodle soup, and it contains rice noodles and spicy soup, spicy beef, pork paste, pork blood, and tendon. Alright guys, our dish is finally here and it looks amazing. Oh, and it smells so good. Here it is, look at it. I almost spilled it. Unlike the pho noodles, these are much thicker, they're much smoother, and they're so good with the broth. Let me just quickly try the broth really quick. Oh yeah, they have the spice level. One of my biggest complaints about Bun Bo Hue dishes is that it's not spicy enough. There are some restaurants that just don't make it spicy, and it's supposed to be spicy, but the soup is really good. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah. It's very good. It's like sour.
Yeah.
But like spicy and sour.
Nice. So we got another lover of it. My little buddy's here with me today. But yeah, this is really good, like exceptionally good. Bean sprouts! Are you gonna put any?
Yeah. I didn't see that there were.
And then, as if the broth isn't spicy enough, they also give you like these chili paste and flakes. I don't really know what this brown thing is, but oh, it's hama. It's like it's a shrimp. It's a really
Is it like the one that the crab paste? Like
no, the shrimp paste that I brought.
It looks the same.
Yeah, it's really powerful. So here's the pork paste.
Hello.
So good too. Wow, this is really good. So good. And then this is my favorite thing in the soup, the blood cube. I just love the texture. You gonna try it?
I don't know.
It doesn't really have that much flavor. I think it's more about the texture. I love this stuff so much. Yeah, I know.
I think it to be small when they said small, but
yeah.
This is like full to the brim.
It's a good size.
Yeah. Great size.
So here's the tendon. Hopefully it's tender enough where you don't really need to chew, but wow, that was really good. I'm really enjoying myself.
I can see that.
So here's the pork slice. It has a nice, like, little fatty sliver in there. I love fatty meat. Wow, I'm saving this for last. Save the best bite for last. And here's the beef. It's so tender.
Yeah, I know. It's great.
I'm surprised I haven't choked yet. I usually choke every time I eat noodles. Okay, so I'm getting really full now, so I think I'm gonna take my last bite of the awesome pork and just enjoy it before I get too full to actually enjoy the food. So, last bite, guys. Cheers! So good. Wow. This was just so amazing. Alright, so that was an amazing lunch, and now we are here at the Japanese Friendship Garden just to walk off everything we just ate. But the sad part is, you guys, look, all the ponds are dry. That means no koi fish, no turtles, no tranquil running water. This isn't the first time they drained the ponds. The last time they drained the ponds was because all the koi fish all had some sort of disease, so they had to kind of clean everything. But I wonder what the reason is this time. Yeah. Anyways, I want to talk about the food because the food was awesome. So I understand why there are so many high ratings. But of course, there are always other dishes that I am curious about. I mean, since their bun bo hue was so freaking good, maybe the other dishes aren't that bad either. So there's always next time. Funny story is that when we were looking at the menu, it was like bun bo hue, and then the second the second option was bun bo hue with pizzle or something like that. And we're like, what the heck is pizzle? But yeah, so enjoy this beautiful, waterless, tranquil park. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much again for watching, and happy wandering. Bye, everyone.